Meaning of ford.
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 Ford. The word ford refers to a shallow area in a body of water where it is possible to cross safely by foot or by vehicle. This term is commonly used when describing the act of crossing a river or stream in this manner. When attempting to ford a body of water, it is important to exercise caution and carefully assess the depth and strength of the current, as well as any potential hazards that may be present, such as rocks or debris. Proper preparation and equipment are also important to ensure a successful crossing.